Summer is a time for fun in the sun, but it's crucial to protect ourselves from the sun's harmful rays. Many commercial sunscreens contain chemicals harmful to our health and the environment. These chemicals can pollute our oceans, harming marine life and coral reefs. Fortunately, we can make our own sunscreen at home. This allows us to control the ingredients and ensure safety. Homemade sunscreen is better for us and the planet. We can reduce our environmental impact by using reusable containers. Create a sunscreen that is safe, effective, and eco-friendly. Many commercial sunscreens contain a cocktail of chemicals that have raised concerns among scientists and health experts. These chemicals, like oxybenzone, octinoxate, and avobenzone, are known endocrine disruptors. This means they can interfere with our hormones, potentially leading to developmental problems, reproductive issues, and even certain types of cancer. Moreover, these chemicals are not just absorbed into our bodies, they also wash off in the ocean, polluting our waters and harming marine life. Studies have shown that these chemicals can damage coral reefs, disrupt the reproductive systems of fish, and even make their way into the food chain. Skin irritation is another common problem with commercial sunscreens. Many contain fragrances, preservatives, and other chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin, causing rashes, redness, and itching. Switching to natural sunscreen eliminates exposure to these potentially harmful chemicals, providing a safer alternative for you and your family. Nature provides us with a wealth of ingredients that can protect our skin from the sun's harmful rays. Coconut oil, for example, is naturally high in SPF, provides broad-spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays, plus has a naturally delicious scent. Cocoa butter is another excellent natural moisturizer that also offers some sun protection. Non-nano zinc oxide is a safe and effective mineral sunscreen ingredient that works by creating a physical barrier on the skin that blocks UV rays. Unlike chemical sunscreens, which absorb UV rays and convert them to heat, zinc oxide sits on top of the skin and reflects the rays away. These natural ingredients not only provide sun protection, but also nourish and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and healthy. DIY natural sunscreen recipe. Safe, effective, and easy. Making your own natural sunscreen is easier than you might think. Here's a simple recipe you can whip up at home. 1/4 cup coconut oil, or argan or olive oil, or a blend of both. 1/4 cup cocoa butter, another delightful natural fragrance. 1/4 cup beeswax for waterproofing. 1/4 cup non-nano zinc oxide powder. Create a double boiler by placing a heat-safe glass jug on a cloth inside a pan of simmering water. Stir and melt the coconut oil, cocoa butter, and beeswax in the double boiler. Add the zinc oxide powder, whisking all the while. Remove the jug carefully from the hot water. Allow your sunscreen to cool slowly, stirring periodically. Once sunscreen has started to thicken but is still pourable, pour it into a glass container or silicone squeeze tube. Then allow it to cool until room temperature. The combined ingredients are said to provide protection of around 30 SPF. Apply liberally to all exposed skin 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours or more often if swimming or sweating. Store in a cool, dark place to preserve effectiveness. Embrace the power of natural sun protection. Making the switch to homemade natural sunscreen is a powerful step towards protecting your health and the health of our planet. By choosing natural ingredients, you can avoid the potential risks associated with chemical sunscreens while still enjoying effective sun protection. This simple act of self-care is a testament to the fact that we don't have to compromise our well-being or the environment for effective sun protection. So why not give this recipe a try? Experience the difference for yourself, and share your results in the comments section. If you feel this recipe will be useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle hacks and habits.